Let me teach you the quickest way to patch Japanese exclusive games to English on your Anbernic RG Cube or any Android handheld. Huge shout out to the incredible fan translators who work tirelessly on these patches. I'll be using the Wedding Peach translation by Krokodyl for demonstration. Here's the before file, and then this is the after file. Let's get to it. Here's what you'll need. Download an app called Unipatcher. It is free from the Google Play Store. You will also need your original ROM game file, as well as the translation patch file. Unipatcher works with SNES, PS1, GBA, and more game files. It supports IPS, UPS, BPS, and most patch formats. This video is not sponsored, by the way, that's just what I use. In the main Unipatcher screen, choose your patch file and locate it within your device. Then, choose your ROM file and locate it in your device. After that, choose the output file location and name. The app automatically adds patched in the title, so it's easier to find. I sometimes add that to the beginning of the file title if it's a particularly long one. Press save and tap the big red button and wait for the confirmation message. Don't close the app until it's done. And that's literally it. You now have an English patched game ready to play. A patch is a small file that contains all the modified data for the game. You then apply this patch to the original Japanese version of the game to create an English version. It doesn't contain the full game, just the changes. Now I'm showing you the original game with the original Japanese text. Here's some quick tips for success. Always read the patch's README file. Some patches need specific ROM versions. Keep your original ROM safe. Patching creates a separate file. And don't forget to make sure that both files are unzipped. And then we can see the patched version with the English title and the fully translated dialogue. So neat, right? And that's it. Now you can enjoy games like Cardcaptor Sakura, Magic Knight Rayearth, Sailor Moon, and all those amazing retro game classics in English if they had English translation patch files. Thanks again to the translation teams, you guys are amazing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more retro game guides. Drop a comment if you have any more relevant questions that you want me to answer. I'll see you in the next video.